Hello everyone, this is your boy Ilya from HY Testing Tech, and today we are back with another video. So yesterday I received this package from AliExpress, and this is my new spoiler for my Tesla Model 3 Highland. So I replaced my old spoiler by this new one, which is the same type as the new Model 3 Performance Highland. And yeah, let's get started.
Alright, so in the package we've got the new spoiler, a wipe to prepare the surface for the double-sided tape that's already attached to the spoiler, and some small stickers to mark the right position. Now, looking at the differences between the new and the old spoiler on the sides, the new one has this nice shape. See how my old spoiler was less prominent and all flat. Also, the old spoiler didn't stick very well. It would slightly lift at the edges and would shift if you pressed it. So, first let's remove my old spoiler. We'll take our hairdryer and start from one end. Heat it up a bit, careful with your fingers, it gets hot. But it peels off easily without damaging the surface, leaving just a bit of adhesive behind. I removed the old spoiler fairly quickly, and if we compare both spoilers, you can see the new one is much sturdier inside, unlike the old one, which is flimsy and hollow. Now I'm grabbing some isopropyl alcohol, putting it on a microfiber cloth and cleaning off any leftover glue from the trunk. After that, we'll use the special wipe that came in the kit to make the surface more adhesive for the new spoiler. There we go. It's all clean, looking as good as new, though the car does look a bit bare without the spoiler, let's be honest. Now, I am just using the new spoiler to measure and place the marks. It's about 8 centimeters or 3 inches from each side. I will put the positioning stickers at both ends, making sure everything is aligned. Once that is done, you can add more double-sided tape if needed, but I will try without. If it is not hot enough outside, you should heat up the tape with the hairdryer just a little to make it stick better. Then, peel back the red protective strip on the tape from the sides. Align the spoiler carefully using the marks, and slowly pull the red strip off while pressing the spoiler lightly in place. Be gentle, don't rush this part, or you could tear in two the protective strip. That's why you don't press the spoiler firmly until the red strip is fully peeled. Now that it's on, we once again will heat it up a bit more to make sure everything adheres well. And that's it. The installation is complete. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And if you're planning on buying a new Tesla, consider using my referral link in the description. You can also check out my latest video on the right of your screen.